Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the bookmark in the Eurosport application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the favorites section, look for the manage bookmarks button and click on that. And then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and just look for the sports that you want to save. And then click on the done button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.